If you're new here, my name is Delaney. I love thrifting, home decor, my cat's plants, all the good stuff, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm so excited to film because it is my daughter's nursery tour. I finally finished it and I'm almost exactly 36 weeks. I have 30 days from today till my due date. So she's coming and I'm so glad that I have this done. No stress on this part. But I'm not sure when this video will go live. It might not go live till after she's born because I do have a sign in here with her name on it and I don't know if I want to put that out there until she's born. All my family knows the name, but I'm still deciding about that. Regardless, I wanted to film this before she got here and the room changes a bunch. Obviously I know she doesn't sleep in it right away, but I just wanted it to be ready for her and organized and everything. So I'll just show you. And keep in mind, I have a lot of like swings and bouncers and toys and stuff in here that probably won't stay in here. It's just in here till she's here. I'm sure a lot of it will end up in the living room or downstairs or our room or whatever. And then the only part that I'm not showing you is she has her high chair built. That's downstairs, and then she has a little bassinet in our room where she'll be sleeping for a while. But other than that, let's just get on into the nursery tour. Okay, I'll do a little overview first. She has a very big room and it is kind of crowded right now because, like I said, a lot of this stuff will end up around the house, a lot of toys. She has lots of fun things already. I wanted to go with this bold, rich pink color just because the rest of my house is very neutral, as you guys know. So I wanted to do something very fun and girly and bright and colorful in here. So this is what I went with. All we did in here, we moved into this house over a month ago. We did replace the floors with some vinyl plank instead of carpet. And then we did scrape popcorn ceilings. And then I'm trying to focus on this light. Here, let me shut it off for a sec. See if that will focus. It's a super, super cute light. Here you go. Very girly and has like the gold accents as well as the gold curtains. And then other than that, we just painted and hung curtains and then the rest is just decor. So let me just get into a little detailed tour here. Okay, here's the door when you walk in. To the left is like a little play area, which I'll show you. I have a little basket here for dirty clothes. We still need to either order a diaper pail or a trash can or something for up here. But I think that's like the last thing that she needs. And then here's a little dresser. This is a little darker than I wanted, but we had this from our last house, so I used that. And we've got a mirror above it. And here's her little changing station. So we have the Kikaroo. I got this secondhand on Facebook Marketplace. I really want to do show you like what is thrifted / secondhand video for this nursery and like her clothes. So that may already be up on my channel before this video, but I will show you guys, or you'll just have to keep looking for it. Also, sorry I'm out of breath, very pregnant over here. And then over here I just have like a little changing station. It's a little brush to put on cream, diaper rash cream, diapers, wipes. I've heard that these are amazing because they're really easy to wipe down, so we'll see about that. And then I have a cute little mirror in this drawer. More diapers, wipes, creams, lotions. I tried to organize it the best I could. A lot of these drawers are actually still empty, but I'm sure they'll fill up. Pacifiers, pacifier clips, all of these have been sanitized. And then socks that I need to wash still. And then down here, a lot of burp cloths, sleep sacks, and swaddles. All been washed already, which is nice. And here, I just labeled this newborn. This is all that she has for newborn clothes, which I've heard is plenty because they grow out of them quickly. Back there, more. This is like actual newborn socks, mitts, bows, and hat. In this drawer, this is all 0 to 3 month. Again, it's all been washed. So it's nice to have all of that ready when she does change sizes. And I think this drawer is empty. Oh no, okay, so extra decor. And then this is like some bibs and feeding stuff, which she obviously doesn't need right away. Moving on over here, you guys can see her name, which by now I've probably announced if this video is live, but her name is Scotty Joy Hoskins. Scotty comes from Cam's grandpa who passed away. His name was Scott, and he was just such a special person to us, so we wanted to name her after him. And I've always liked unique names, and I think Scotty's kind of unique since it's more traditionally a boy name. And then Joy is my middle name and my mom's name, so that's where that comes from. Okay, moving on. Rocking chair, glider, a little table to put like drinks. This is just a basket of all my like breastfeeding stuff. I'm sure that will not stay there, but it's there for now. I got this really cute rug from Urban Outfitters. I just loved that it had the wall color in it and that it just had like the fun colors that I wanted. Okay, moving on. This is the IKEA crib that everybody has. I got mine secondhand on Facebook Marketplace. I'm really glad I did because it was really cheap and it's like in amazing condition. This little quilt, I love. It's a little baby quilt. I don't know how much she'll actually use it because it is kind of coming apart in a lot of places, but my great grandma made this for me and my brother, so little special, little heirloom. Got her bedding all washed. The pillows won't stay when she's sleeping in there, obviously, but just cute for now. I have this little sign here, her Snuggle Me, which will probably end up downstairs. I have to keep this door closed because my cats have been trying to get in there, which I know is really bad, and I'm going to break that habit. Over here, I just have a little olive tree I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as the pot, and this adorable little basket cart thing, a little stuffy that she got in my baby shower. I got blackout curtains and put them up, but I think I might need to get some like blackout blinds as well. We'll see how that goes. Two more little things that I had from when I was a kid. I had this rocking chair. Me and my brother had it, and I sanded it down and refinished it, and I think it looks really cute. And then I've had this little dog. His name is Scooter since I was 4, so I'm really excited to pass that along to her. Okay, moving on. I love this little corner. That's her name again, obviously. I can tag where I got that. It's an Instagram shop, as well as that one's an Instagram shop. I can tag those down below. I got these little shelves on Amazon, and then I just put some books. This is a, oh, what are they called? Oh yeah, Cuddle and Kind doll. You should look into them. They're really a great company. Moving on. I got this. She will not be playing with this for a long time, obviously, but I found it and it's adorable and I couldn't pass it up. It matched her room, so I got that. All of these pieces come apart, and so she can play with them and climb on them, stuff like that. And then I'm so excited. Lovevery sent me this play gym. This video isn't sponsored, but they did send it to me. Everyone says to put this on your registry because it is so amazing, especially for tummy time, stuff like that. And Lovevery is great because they really focus on development, and they focus on what babies should be playing with at certain ages for their development. And they give you like a whole book with this telling you like at what ages, at what months they should be doing what. And I just thought that was really helpful because it's really hard to know what a baby should be learning or playing with. But anyways, I'm so excited about this. I will have it linked down below. They sent me their like newborn to like 3-month, I think, play kit that I'll show you as well. But it's just great. It comes with like all of these very colorful, loud little rattles for them to play with. And then in here comes with pictures that you can change out for them to look in black and white. I've heard it's really good for their development. So yeah, I'm really excited for her to use that. That will probably end up downstairs as well. Okay, moving on. Here's her closet. I'll show you that in just a sec. But this is her swing and her little bouncer. This is from Amazon. This is like the dupe for the Baby Bjorn bouncer. It's called Baby Delight. I think it was like 80 bucks and very neutral. I love that. This is the Munchkin swing. So far I really like it. Obviously she's not here, so I haven't used it, but those will probably end up downstairs as well. Then right here, my favorite little corner. This is like, I'm calling this like her little play corner. Obviously she won't be playing with things for a long time, but I just love it. I had the idea, I thrifted this shelf and I had the idea to paint it the same color as the wall. I just thought it would look really, really cute. You guys may remember me thrifting this. The only thing I have to do is I still need to paint the screws, which I will do that before she comes. That's like the last thing that I need to do. And like I said, I need to make a little thrifted video because a lot of this is thrifted. I thrifted these Jellycat little stuffed animals, this sign, this basket, the shelf, tons of stuff. So I definitely want to do a little walkthrough with that, but I thought it was cute to display some of her cute outfits and little toys and stuff. Here's some stuff that she will be using, just obviously not yet. Portable sound machine, the baby husher, a little diffuser slash humidifier, and then this is just, I'm gonna fill it with water to fill the diffuser with. But yeah, she's not using that yet, but she will be. I've got a snake plant here, and then I had this shelf in my last house, and I'm not a huge fan of gray, and obviously gray doesn't like go with this room super well, but quite honestly, I'm too lazy to paint it. I wanted to paint it white, but for now it's staying gray. Maybe I'll do that project one day, we'll see. But I just put some toys down here. Let me get down on the floor and I'll show you. I just thought it would be fun to display her toys. Obviously she won't be playing with them for a long time, but thrifted some puzzles. This is more puzzles. A lot of them are thrifted and still like wrapped. I need to clean them still. Teether toys, and then down here just all of her other books who didn't make the shelf. More toys. I'm sure some of these could be used like these in the bath or pool. And then in here I have more of the Love Every stuff. I believe this kit is called The Looker, and again it comes with a book like this. Yeah, The Looker Play Guide 0 to 12 weeks. Tells you all the ways that you can play in the first 4 weeks. Tells you, it has these little tabs that tell you these activities, what you can do with your baby, things like that. And there's just some more books in here, but it comes with, I'm just like so blown away at the quality of Love Every stuff. But it has this whole little book that expands that you can put these pictures into, and again a lot of them are black and white. That would be great for tummy time as well. It has this amazing mirror, and then it has this that you can hang up. Let's see, this is the one side and this is the other. There's a string and then you can hang it up, and I think that will definitely keep her attention for a while. So yeah, highly recommend Love Every. I just think that it's, let me see, are there any more? Oh yeah, came with this as well, which is a nice little wood book with all of these different images. And I think that this is just invaluable because it has tons of ways to play, expert tips, development info, at-home activities. So super excited. Thank you Love Every for sending me that. In the last bin over here, I just have a wood little rainbow, this little wicker cart that my friend thrifted for me for the baby, and then in here, just more toys, little stuffies. My mom got her this because my mom loves the Cubs, little Cubs baby. Oh, and here's more Love Every stuff that came with it. Sorry, I don't have the whole kit together. Someone made me this, and yeah, tons and tons of Love Every toys that I'm really, really excited to use. This is a little mitt that you can put on that she can just stare at. As you can see, lots of it is black and white or lots of colors. But yeah, you get the idea. Lots of little toys and teethers and things like that. Okay, and lastly, I will show you her closet. I would love to organize this a little bit better. It doesn't look very like aesthetic or pretty, but there's just so much stuff in here for now. And I know as time goes and she uses things won't all be shoved in here, but it's kind of just stored for now until she's here and we can use them. Okay, first off, I have lots of diapers. I have some breastfeeding pillows, an extra basket. I have a little wood crib that I thrifted that she'll be able to use eventually. One of these seats, which that will probably end up downstairs. An IKEA table back there that she can use when she's older, which obviously doesn't need to be used now. I had this little rack from the previous owners, so I'll probably put her shoes on that eventually. And then I bought this on Amazon just for extra storage. I have some swaddles, blankets, and then these are the only pairs of shoes that I have for her that might fit her at newborn. I don't know. A lot of these were thrifted or gifted. I know newborns don't need a lot of shoes, but I just thought those were adorable to display. And backing up over here, some more diapers, a little swing to put up. And then these are, I believe, 0 to 3 months. These were just like the special outfits that were like not sleepers. These have all been washed. They're just like cute little sets or whatever that I just wanted to hang up so I could look at those. Baby girl's a big closet. This is a lot of empty space. And then these are all 3 to 6 month clothes that I've washed and have them hung and ready to put into the drawers whenever she gets into that size. And then before any of you judge me, I need to explain what I'm going to show you next. I have been lucky to be given a ton of clothes. I know that she already has a ton of clothes, but I've been lucky to be given a lot of clothes or thrifted / garage saled or hand-me-downs or all of that. So she has a lot of clothes. Don't judge me. Up here are the rest of her clothes. These are both 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 2 to 3, 2 to 3. And a ton of this is either gifted or thrifted. I haven't really been buying much retail, except for I did buy some stuff at Zara this summer when they had their big Zara sale. But yeah, so none of that's washed. That's why it's in those bins. And then as she gets older, I'll wash it, hang it, or fold it into the drawer. And then over here, I love that these baskets match her room. I think this, yeah, this is all like her swimming stuff. She got a lot of swimsuits and stuff as gifts at the baby shower. That is an extra diaper bag. In here, what do I have in here? Oh, this is attachments to her high chair for when she gets older. Again, won't be needing that yet. This is an Ergo Baby carrier that I got from a garage sale. This is an extra bag. It's a bog bag. Got that at my baby shower. Got some extra blankets. I have a lot of these really soft knitted blankets that my grandma knits for me. She's gone a little overboard and she's knitted me like 5 of them. So baby girl is gonna have a lot of blankets. And then here is 3 more gifts that she got. Obviously can't use them yet. Somebody gave us this little winter car seat cover. This is a grocery seat cover. And then, oh yeah, this is a baby car mirror. When we install her car seat, we will put that in. So that's just some extras. Like I said, a lot of this won't stay in here, as well as a lot of it that's in the nursery, but it feels really good to have everything washed and hung and organized. Alright guys, that's it for her nursery tour. I'm so excited that I could show you, and let me zoom out. I don't know why I'm so zoomed in. And just kind of document this before she comes, because I'm sure it will change a lot over the years as she grows and plays in here and gets older. So yeah, I'm so glad that you guys could watch, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys!